everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you may notice, I am definitely not in my usual place again. Today I'm in my bathroom, and I'm also shirtless. But today is going to be a little emotional. Well, not really. I'm not gonna get, like, emotional. But I mean, it's gonna be, like, heartfelt a bit more. But Show Choir just ended this last weekend, so that means for me, my hair is dead, which means it's gotta go. And like, I don't know if I'm like getting rid of it all right now, or if I'm just gonna like trim it up and cut it, but everyone, I feel like this is like also a thing for me too, like, people are always like, you have such good hair, why are you cutting it? I'm like, well, like, this is just like a thing for me, like, to show like, it's not just outer beauty for me, like, look at me inside. Like, you know? So, just gonna... I've been cutting my own hair for, like, the last year and a half, too, so I kinda know what I'm doing, but I kinda don't. So I'm literally just gonna start. I like to pull it back here, so I can just, like, you know, see it. And, you know what, screw it, we're just gonna go in with the razor right away, just because it's easier. And here we go. Wow. And it doesn't look any different. You know, a lot of this video is just, I mean, like, I'm saying like a lot. This is just a lot of me. I've had my long hair for a long time. Everyone expects me with it, and I haven't been short-haired in a long time, so I mean, I'm just having fun with it while I have it. Well, while I no longer have it. Oh my god. And my hair is like used to standing, like having volume, and I'm like, well, I look like a spiky mess. But I'm just... I'm still in shock that I'm doing this right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just cutting wherever I please. I'm not even worried about texturing yet. We'll get there. This side is a lot longer right now. And yes, I will be doing my sides too, and I'm like, I don't know. I'm like just debating like just shaving it all off. I can't believe I'm about to do this. Okay, so we're right here right now, and I'm in shock. right now. I can't believe I just did this. I haven't looked like this, in years. Cut to me looking like young egg right here. Yeah, I haven't looked like, it's been a while. It's been a long while, but God, I feel good. I'm not done. Obviously, I'm just gonna clean up my sides and I'll be right back. Well, here it is. And like, there's this weird part right in here where my hair just, I have a cowlick, so like, it grows weird. So it was weird to cut, so like, but this is it. So I'm going to quickly shower and, well, I'm gonna shower and then we'll see where we're at and then we'll do like final stuff and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so I just got out of the shower, so I can't believe I just did that. So insert clip of me showing my dad's that my hair is gone right now.
My guardian angel must have been looking out for me.
Whoa.
Was a branch sticking out of a tree
Oh,
trunk.
military.
Was about to
Thanks.
take my head off.
What it looks
With
like.
the van. For another 20 minutes.
Oh, where is he?
Let me find out motive.
Oh my god.
No, I think something killed my
Oh
daughter.
my god, I can't believe you just said that.
Me either.
Bishop told me you were thinking.
Okay, so just some like last minute things. Thank you all for watching today. I know this is definitely very different, obviously. I'm a makeup channel and this is like a hair thing. But I mean, this is more so just like a life thing, I feel like. Like, just don't be afraid to like do something different. Don't, like, you're beautiful inside and out. And just be you. Thank you all for watching. I love you all so much. Subscribe if you like me, if you like what I do. Like this video so I know, like, I feel your support. Hit the bell button so you get notified when I post my next makeup tutorial. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I love you all. Bye.